They told us it couldn't be done. They said the original Avata was a niche product, that FPV was too complex for the masses. They underestimated DJI. And they certainly underestimated what's coming next. For months, the drone community has been holding its breath, waiting for even a whisper of the DJI Avata 3. But what if I told you that DJI isn't just planning an incremental update? What if they're about to unleash a machine that completely redefines accessibility, safety, and raw adrenaline in the FPV world? This isn't just speculation. This is a deep dive into the most closely guarded secrets from the heart of DJI's R&D. If you're a drone pilot, a content creator who craves impossible shots, or just someone who dreams of flying, stop what you're doing and listen. Because the drone you're about to hear about changes everything. The original Avata was revolutionary, bringing sinew-hoop-style FPV to the masses. But it had its limitations. Battery life, camera quality, and low light range. DJI took notes. Every single one of those limitations has been surgically addressed in the Avata 3, and then some. Let's start with the flight experience, the core of FPV. The biggest leak? 03 Plus transmission with a dedicated 15 kilometers range. Yes, you heard that correctly. 15 kilometers. That's not just an improvement. That's freedom. Imagine pushing the boundaries of exploration without the constant anxiety of signal loss. This kind of robust, low-latency transmission, combined with rumored enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors covering 360 degrees, means flying with a newfound confidence, pushing closer, faster, safer. But the real breakthrough is in the propulsion system. We're hearing about new, more efficient motors and redesigned duct propellers that significantly boost both flight time and raw thrust. This isn't just about longer flights. It's about unparalleled agility and responsive power that lets you pull off tighter gaps, sharper turns, and more aggressive maneuvers than ever before. Combined with an estimated 30-minute flight time, a nearly 50% increase, the Avata 3 is set to be an endurance beast. You won't just be flying. You'll be soaring, exploring, creating for longer. And the camera. This is where DJI truly levels up. Forget the Avata 1's modest sensor. We're talking about a new 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with f/1.7 aperture. The same class as the Mini 4 Pro, but integrated into an FPV platform. This means stunning 4K 120 frames per second video, significantly improved low-light performance, and dynamic range that captures every nuance. Imagine flying through a sunset-drenched canyon, every detail rendered with breathtaking clarity. Now let's talk about the immersive experience, because that's what FPV is all about. The new DJI Goggles 3 are rumored to be a complete redesign. We're hearing about brighter, higher-resolution OLED screens with a wider field of view, making the flight experience even more visceral. But here's the game-changer. Built-in OcuSync 5.05 transmission, separate from the drone's 03 Plus, providing an even more stable, direct video feed. Plus, a new see-through AR mode, allowing you to seamlessly switch between the drone's view and your real surroundings without taking off the goggles. This is not just a feature. It's a monumental safety improvement and a comfort upgrade for longer flight sessions. And safety? DJI is doubling down. Beyond the 360-degree obstacle avoidance,